In this video, we listed the 5 best TIG Welder under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HITBOX TIG Welding Machine. The HBT250P TIG Welder is a versatile and advanced inverter-based welding machine designed for both AC, DC TIG and stick welding, making it an ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. With customizable features such as advanced waveforms, 2T, 4T modes, and pulse controls, users can easily tailor the machine to their specific welding needs and save their settings for future use. The square wave TIG functionality enhances performance on various materials, including aluminum and steel, allowing welders to achieve smooth and stable results while minimizing tungsten loss. The user-friendly interface supports up to 12 customizable functions, enabling operators of all skill levels to improve their welding techniques. Safety is prioritized with VRD, overvoltage, and overheat protections, along with a dual-fan cooling system that ensures optimal performance during extended use. Weighing only 25 pounds and operating on a standard 220V circuit, the HBT250P is portable and easy to use, backed by a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 2. Weldpro Omni Welder. Weldpro's new 200-amp multiprocess welder offers advanced features for versatile welding applications, including foot pedal or trigger switch controlled AC, DC TIG welding with high-frequency start and full TIG pulse control. It supports MIG, FCAW, and DC stick welding, all within a user-friendly design featuring an auto-set menu. For those looking to perform aluminum MIG welding, the Weldpro SB8 spool gun is available for separate purchase, ensuring easy plug-and-play functionality. The welder includes dual gas inputs for dedicated argon and CO2 mix tanks and allows for simultaneous connection of the MIG gun and TIG torch, facilitating quick transitions between processes. Users can easily adjust parameters through a multifunction data display digital menu, with a maximum welding current of 200 amps enabling the welding of various materials, including aluminum, steel, stainless steel, titanium, copper, and cast iron. Additional features include user-adjustable MIG inductance for better puddle control, VRD, hot start, and arc force adjustments for enhanced stick welding performance, as well as high temperature and overload protection with indicator lights. The welder operates on dual voltage, 120/240V, and comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a 10-foot NT1 MIG gun, a 12.5 CK17F FlexHead Superflex TIG torch, a 200A stick electrode holder, a 300A ground clamp, and a CGA 580R CO2 flow meter with a hose, among others, making it a complete package for both novice and experienced welders. Number 3. TOOLIOM TIG Welder. The machine offers 3 versatile functions in one unit, enabling DC TIG, pulse TIG, and stick welding, including spot TIG welding for weld reinforcement. It features a remote control capability with a reserved 5-pin foot pedal interface, allowing users to easily turn the machine on, OFF and adjust the current. With a maximum output of 200A and equipped with hot start and arc force functions for stick welding, it is suitable for welding a variety of materials, including stainless steel, alloy steel, iron, and other non-ferrous metals. Additionally, the machine is ETL certified and includes intelligent protection features such as overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheat protection for enhanced safety and reliability. Number 4. TOOLIOM 135A TIG Welder. This versatile welding machine features a lift TIG torch and is capable of both stick welding and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for various applications. It is equipped with advanced functions such as VRD, hot start, and ARC force, which facilitate easier arc striking and prevent electrode sticking. For optimal performance, particularly in cases of weak arc, users are advised to adjust settings to the maximum value. Designed for convenience, It operates on standard 110V household current and boasts an intelligent LCD display that provides clear visibility of data compared to traditional displays. Additionally, its compact design and adjustable shoulder strap enhance portability, making it easy to transport between job sites. Number 5. Everlast Power 185DV TIG Welder. The Everlast Welder's Power TIG is a compact, digitally controlled IGBT inverter welder designed for workshop use and road trips. The 2024 model features a simplified preset pulse mode with 1 or 50 Hz selection, offering a powerful 185 amp at a 35% duty cycle on 220V and 105 amp at a 35% duty cycle on 110V. It supports a 5 amp DC, 20 amp AC start and can handle 1/4 welds on single pass and 3/8 on multipass. The welder includes adjustable AC balance control, 10 to 90%, and adjustable AC frequency, 20 to 250 Hz, similar to the 250EX model. It also offers a 150 amp stick function, HF or lift TIG start, and comes with a 5-year parts and labor warranty, making it a reliable and versatile choice for various welding needs. Its green color and compact design further enhance its appeal for portability and functionality.